Pizzas hail from the south of Italy but are loved and enjoyed the world over. The ultimate comfort food for the hungry soul. Isn't that what we're cooking today, Chef?
Yes, ma'am.
So how do we start?
So I'm making pizza with roasted chicken.
Excellent.
Now what we'll do, we'll make a hollow in this bowl. This is 1 kg.
1 kg.
Yeah, sieved flour. Right. Next, what we'll do, we'll take this yeast, we'll dissolve it with lukewarm water.
How much yeast are we using to 1 kilo of refined flour?
The proportion for this 1 kilo flour is 17 grams of yeast,
Okay.
fresh yeast, 17 grams of sugar, 17 ml of extra virgin olive oil,
Right.
and then 17 grams of salt.
And the yeast has to be dissolved in lukewarm water,
Lukewarm
right, Chef?
water, yes. And then I'll pour this yeast into the maida
Okay.
and all the other ingredients also.
This is very simple so far. Make a well of the maida and then add all the ingredients.
Right. And the sugar also.
Right. Very interesting.
Then we have this 450 milliliter of water.
Right.
We'll pour it in it and knead the dough. Okay, after kneading this dough,
Right.
it will become like this.
Okay, so once it's done,
Yeah.
this, what it looks like right now, will be firm like
Yes,
this.
firm like this. You can see this. We'll make 170 gram each bowl out of this.
Okay, so you can measure it on
You can
this,
measure
Chef.
it. It's bit more. We'll remove little bit. 170 gram bowl.
Right.
Then we make the peda like roti ka peda we make
Right,
at
of
home.
course.
So
Roll it exactly how the chapati is rolled back at home, only that this is a little bigger.
yeah, now we will roll it with the help of a rolling pin.
Okay.
For that you need this flour. You need to spread some flour on the surface so that it doesn't stick to this. And roll it. We will put our pizza sauce on top of this.
So pizza sauce includes what all, Chef?
Here it is equal quantity of fresh tomatoes and pomodori pelati, which is Italian tomatoes.
Okay. Fresh tomatoes, Italian tomatoes.
Italian tomatoes, they are chopped.
Right.
Then they are cooked with garlic, 50 gram of garlic,
50 grams garlic.
100 gram of chopped onion.
Okay.
They are cooked together.
So this
And
is
then it is reduced.
right up till it becomes the consistency
This
of a sauce.
consistency, yes.
But Chef, since we don't get Italian tomatoes very easily, can
Right.
they be substituted with something?
Locally available tomatoes, but they should be red, not green tomatoes, because green tomatoes will make your pizza sour.
Right. So make sure that your tomatoes aren't green.
Yeah,
they're
they're
all red and looking juicy
Juicy and ripe.
and not bruised.
Right.
Bruised tomatoes can really spoil the taste.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now next is your mozzarella cheese.
Okay.
Now you weight it. It should be 70 gram grated mozzarella cheese.
70 grams. So Chef, you can watch and tell me.
Yeah. More. Now can you sprinkle all over?
Gladly, Chef. Gladly.
Now can you spread the roasted chicken on top of this?
So am I supposed to put in all of the chicken, Chef?
Half of it.
Half of the chicken.
Half of the chicken.
Roasted chicken goes right in.
That's it.
Okay.
Now next, it is optional. You can put chopped red chili, green chili, whatever is your taste.
You can go crazy with the
Yeah,
topping.
top
I
it.
love jalapenos, Chef.
Next step is we are going to bake it in the oven.
Right.
Preheated wood-fired oven.
A if someone doesn't have wood fire?
You can bake it in your
Regular
oven, but it should be preheated at the temperature of 250 degrees centigrade.
So we're ready to put this in the
Yes,
oven.
we are ready to put it in
Okay.
the oven.
Wow.
Yeah. Can you pass me that oregano? You should always rub it.
Rub it?
Yes, it will give you more flavor.
Chef, even I want to try this.
Yes, sure, you can try.
We're ready
Next,
to slice this.
we'll cut it into pieces.
And traditionally, pizzas are supposed to have a rather thin crust actually.
It is thin crust. Here comes
Wow.
your pizza.
This is serious art, taking the pizza right into the plate.
Your pizza is ready.